In this guide, I'll show you how you can delete a Facebook page. Now it's super straightforward. We just need to head over to an internet browser and then you need to come over to facebook.com. Now once you're on your Facebook profile, we need to come over to see more in the left here and we need to scroll down to find pages. Once we're on this pages screen, we just need to scroll down and locate the page that we want to delete. So for this example, let's say I wanted to delete this tribal trips page here. So I'm just going to simply click on this page. So if we scroll down on the left here, you'll see this option where it says switch into tribal trips page to take more actions. So just go ahead and press this switch button and confirm by pressing switch. Now if this option isn't available on the left down here, you can always switch profiles by coming over to your account and selecting See All Profiles. Now once you're inside of your Facebook page, we need to come down on the left inside of Settings, scroll all the way down once more and come to Access and Control, and you'll see two options inside of here. Either deactivate page or delete page. So if you select deactivate page, then this is a temporary fix and it will remove your page from being found, but you can restore this at a later date. If you select delete page, then this is permanently deleted and all of your data will be removed. So I'll go ahead and select delete page and click continue. Click on continue once more, and then you'll need to enter your Facebook password inside of here and hit continue, and once again hit continue again. And now that's going to permanently delete your Facebook page. You do actually have 30 days from the date of deletion to recover the page if you do change your mind. And after 30 days, the page will be permanently gone and you'll never be able to recover it. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.